In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a BMI calculator in Wix. Unfortunately, since Wix doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then underneath forms right here, I want you to click on the second option, which is calculator. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the calculator widgets page. From here, I want you to scroll down a bit, and then click on this create widget for free button, and then you'll be taken to the calculator template section. So on the left hand side here, you have a bunch of different calculator templates. I want you to scroll down all the way to the bottom until we find fitness and health calculators right here. Click on that, and then the very first option that you will see is BMI calculator. Now bear in mind that depending on when you watch this video, this option might be further along on the pages. So yeah, if it's not on the first page, keep checking and then you will find it eventually. So yeah, click on the BMI calculator template, and then on the right hand side here, you will see what it looks like by default. Bear in mind that this is fully interactive. So as you can see, this is how it works. Don't worry about the overall design. Also, don't worry about the functionality of the calculator because we can customize pretty much everything that you see on the screen. And I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. So yeah, once you've selected the BMI calculator template, go ahead and click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we can start customizing the BMI calculator to our liking. The first thing we're going to do is customize the backend or the actual functionality of the calculator. So on the left hand side here, if you take a look, you have fields and calculations. There's two fields in total, and they represent these two fields right here on the calculator itself. As you can see, they are fully interactive, and then the calculations field is responsible for giving you the output right here based on the input that you provide in the calculator itself. So you can actually customize these to your liking. We can actually click on one of them, for example, and then customize the volumes right here. You can say conditional logic if you want to. You can change the labels if you'd like to. You can also delete the fields by clicking delete right here. Alternatively, you can also add fields by clicking on this button and then adding the relevant field. You can also do the same for the calculation. So if you click on BMI right here, this is the formula that is used. Bear in mind that you can customize this further if you want to, but if you just want a simple BMI calculator, you don't actually need to do anything here. Another thing that I want to mention is that if you want to change the formula, you don't actually need to know how it works, because you can click on generate with AI right here and then just basically briefly describe what you're looking for, and then the AI will automatically give you the formula that supports that functionality. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the backend. Now, in terms of the overall design of the calculator, on the left hand side here, you will find style and settings. These are different customizations that you can take advantage of when it comes to customizing your BMI calculator in terms of design. So for example here, if you take a look, we have the colors of the calculator. So let's just suppose that we don't want this line here to be green. Let's suppose we want to make it red. So go to field accent color, click on that, and then find the color that you want, in this case red, just like that. And as you can see, it automatically updates on the right hand side here as well. This also works for the functionality of the calculator, so any changes that you make on the left hand side here will automatically reflect on the right hand side. That way you can easily keep track and test your calculator in real time as you make the changes. But yeah, I'm not going to go through every single customization that you can make here. I'll leave this up to you to explore, and once you're ready with the customization of your BMI calculator and you want to move forward, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then your BMI calculator will be saved up, and you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we now need to publish the calculator. So go ahead and click on publish in the top right corner of the screen, and then you will automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for the free plan right here. As you can see, it supports one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just starting out, then this might be the perfect plan for you. Alternatively, if you are going to be displaying this calculator to a wider audience, or if you want to look more functionality, so if you want to use more than one widget on your Wix website, then you can obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. So you can see they have quite a few different ones they can go with, and also if you subscribe annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, once you've selected a plan that works best for you, you will automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your calculator. It will look just like this. So from here, go ahead and click on copy code, and let's head over to Wix so we can start integrating it. Now, what you want to do first is head over to your Wix editor and go to the page where you want to add your BMI calculator. In my case, I want it on the home page right here, and I also want it in this particular section that I've added previously. So yeah, go ahead and add a specific section where you want the calculator to be displayed. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on search here in the top right corner of the screen, and then search for HTML. and then wait for this to load, give it a couple of seconds, and then where it says add to site here, you will see embed. I want you to hover over this and click on it, and then on the left hand side here, you will see a bunch of different options appear. I want you to click on this embed HTML option, and then an HTML block will be added to your Wix website. From here, make sure that this is selected to code, and all you have to do is paste the code we copied previously from elf site, give it a couple of seconds and click on update. And then in a second or two, your BMI calculator will be displayed on your Wix website. All you have to do now is resize it accordingly, and then let's see how it looks. And there you have it. Here is my BMI calculator on my Wix website. As you can see, it's fully functioning and it works as intended. The button is also clickable. Don't worry about this thing that appears right here. This is just for you. So just in case you want to make any changes to the calculator in the future. So if I just go ahead and click on it, I don't know if I'll be able to. There we go. It takes you straight to elf site where you can make changes to the calculator before you publish it again. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to create a BMI calculator in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.